Hello everyone. Today I will show you a powerful trailing stop loss expert advisor for traders. Let's see what this EA has to offer us. Feature number 1. The trailing stop EA can perform trailing on your whole MetaTrader account, the current pair you're trading on, or even on custom pairs of your choice. It's all about giving you control and flexibility. The trailing stop EA applies to all currency pairs traded on the MetaTrader 4 platform, regardless of the specific currency pair on which the EA is installed. Feature number 2. You can adjust the list of currency pairs on which the EA should perform trailing. Traders can customize it to fit your unique trading style and preferences. You can add or remove any currency pair. Make sure that every pair is separated by comma. Feature number 3. Now, let's talk about pips. With the trailing stop EA, you can specify the amount of trailing start and trailing step pips. Feature number 4. Whether you prefer fixed pips or want to base it on the average true range, ATR, the choice is yours. Feature number 5. The Forex pip trailing stop EA can be tested on both live and demo accounts, supporting a wide range of currency pairs on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Functionality. Once activated, the magic happens. The trailing stop EA goes to work by adjusting the stop loss of all your open trades in the favorable direction. Your stop loss continues to move with the market, helping to protect gains and manage trades when price reversals eventually take place. It's like having a smart assistant for your trades. The same procedure repeats for a sell trade, trailing the stop loss with the price and exiting the trade at the highest profit level. It is also keeping the stop loss safe from small price reversals. Benefit number 1. The Forex pip trailing stop EA helps traders to secure more pips in the market. Benefit number 2. Meanwhile, it also helps protect your stop loss from small market reversals and exit at safer points. Benefit number 3. This EA is programmed to track exit signals with consistency. It works to guide your trades toward well-timed closures. It's all about creating strategic exits for stronger trade management. Benefit number 4. The trailing stop EA doesn't limit itself. It trails the stop loss across all currencies, all time frames, and your entire MetaTrader account. Benefit number 5. If you ever find yourself unsure about how long a market trend might continue, this EA has your back. Explore the Forex pip trailing stop EA and let it assist in trailing your stops with better precision. Are you ready to improve your trading approach with smarter strategies? Check out the Forex pip trailing stop EA at the official store. For more educational content and trading tips, smash that like button. Subscribe for more trading insights, and let's conquer those markets together.